Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel BL Das, short and sweet in chemistry. Also I want to welcome the students of class 10 and for the topic name of inorganic compounds. And here that part 3, that is compounds with monovalent cation and trivalent anion. What is monovalent cation? Cation means positive charge and mono means that is plus 1. The cation plus 1 charge, and these cation are also called basic radical. And group 1 metals generally they are positive plus 1 charge, and exception case is NH4 plus 1. Though NH4 plus 1 that is not present in group 1, and but it is also one type of basic radical. Now anion means minus charge, minus, whether it is minus 1, 2, 3, all, and these are called acid radical. Then one atom, what is radical? Meaning one atom or group of atoms. Acid radical mean with negative charge, and with positive charge mean basic radical. And trivalent cation, trivalent anion. What is trivalent anion? Anion mean negative charge. Trivalent means three negative charge, that is called trivalent anion. So you can say cation, that is positive charge, basic radical. Anion is negative charge, that is acid radical. This cation is positive, anion is negative. When both will combine and form an inorganic compound, that is called naming of inorganic compounds. And how they will combine? How they will combine mean you will see what is the question first. Sodium nitride. Sodium nitride mean Na having plus 1 charge, because sodium belongs to first group and charge is plus 1. And here show nitride. In example I told this is called nitride. So minus 3. Now how you will put the proper naming? That means here 3 comes to here, 3 comes to here, 1 comes to there. That means Na3N. So here 3, since 3 comes to Na, that is, this is sodium and this is nitride. And what is the formula of sodium nitride? Na3N. So next question, if the question is potassium phosphate, and I told here phosphate PO4 minus 3. So you write first PO4 minus 3, and since it is potassium belongs to first group, so we put K plus 1. So what is the answer? Since I told 3 comes to here, the answer is K3PO4. And what is the name of the formula of the potassium phosphate? K3PO4. What is the name of the K3PO4? Potassium phosphate. Now ammonium phosphite. What is meant by ammonium phosphite? And here it is ammonium NH4 plus 1, PO3 minus 3. And now since NH4 is a combination of nitrogen 4 hydrogen, that is why you will put whole. Yes, that means 3 comes to here, then NH4 whole 3 PO4. How can you say? NH4 whole 3 PO4. Potassium arsenate. I told arsenate ASO4 minus 3. They all are trivalent anion. So here K plus 1, you should write plus 1, and ASO4. What is ASO4? Arsenate. So here I have written arsenate whose charge is minus 3. So what is the formula? K3SO4. And similarly silver phosphate. What is meant by silver phosphate? You know silver is Ag plus 1. I told in previous video silver is Ag and charge is plus 1, though it never belongs to first group, but it belongs to transition metal group. But you should remember silver is plus 1. So Ag plus 1, PO4 minus 3. That means 3 comes to here and towards Ag. That is why the formula is Ag3PO4. What is the formula of silver phosphate? Ag3PO4. If somebody will ask what is the name of Ag3PO4, you can say silver phosphate because we know phosphate having minus 3. Now you can understand here cation mean positive charge, that is basic radical, anion mean minus charge acidical. Now the topic is monocation and trivalent anion. These are the examples I have explained, and also I am going to explain other examples. After that you can feel very easy for the naming of inorganic compounds. Now you see ammonium phosphite. It should be NH4 plus 1 PO3 minus 3, and the answer should be NH4 whole 3 PO3. But before that I told by mistake here PO4. So sorry, please check it. NH4 plus 1 PO3 minus 3. It should be NH4 whole 3 PO3. Ammonium phosphate. Ammonium means NH4 plus 1 and phosphate means PO4 minus 3. So it should be NH4 whole 3 PO4. Similarly, silver nitride. Silver, though it is not belongs to first group, but balancing the charge is plus 1 and balance is 1 and nitride minus 3. So it should be Ag3N. And potassium nitride plus 1, it is plus 1 and it is K3N because nitride is minus 3. Ammonium arsenate, NH4 plus 1 and arsenate ASO4 minus 3. So 3 comes to here, and that is why you should put whole bracket. In whole bracket it is 3, that means NH4 whole 3 ASO4. And lithium nitride, lithium is plus 1, nitride is minus 3, so the formula should be Li3N. Lithium phosphate, lithium Li plus 1, phosphate means PO4 minus 3, so it should be Li3PO4 because the 3 comes to here. Sodium phosphite, sodium Na plus 1, phosphite PO3 minus 3, phosphate PO4 minus 3, so it is Na3PO3. Ammonium nitride, NH4 plus 1, N minus 3, so it is NH4 whole 3 N. And sodium arsenate, sodium is plus 1 and ASO4, that is minus 3, so 3 comes to here, and what is the formula? Na3ASO4. I think it is clear to you. Monovalent cation, trivalent anion. Again see, phosphite means PO minus 3, phosphate means PO4 minus 3, nitride N minus 3, where silver is plus 1, potassium nitrate, see nitrate minus 3, arsenate minus 3, but NS4 is a combination of so many atoms, it is a polyatomic ion, so you should put it whole. Lithium nitride Li plus 1, N minus 3, so Li3N. Again here phosphate PO4. Remember phosphate and phosphite. Phosphate is PO4 minus 3, phosphite is PO3 minus 3. Nitride, and here same ammonium nitride, 3 comes to here. Arsenate here minus 3, arsenate minus 3, so 3 comes to here. What is the formula? Na3ASO4. I hope it is clear to you, and please like and subscribe my channel, also share it to near ones, and I hope you will clear this giving that inorganic compounds, naming inorganic compounds of monovalent cation and trivalent anion. And after in coming video, I will explain that is divalent cation and monovalent anion. Divalent cation means it belongs to second group. Monovalent anion means having -1 charge. So, for watching my video, thanks to all. Again, thanks.